So in this video, we are going to learn about the Redis and we will see the implementation of Redis using Node.js in our microservices project. Okay, so first of all, what is like Redis? Okay, so uh, Redis. Okay, so why we use like Redis? Okay, so like suppose this is our database. Okay, so this is our database. Okay, and like some client, okay, client fetches some data from this database, okay, fetches some data from this database. So it will like take some 200 200 3 4 5 it's like 600 milliseconds, okay, 600 milliseconds. So like to reduce that time into like 20 30 40 milliseconds, we use something called Redis, okay. So how are we going to implement this Redis into our Node.js application? Okay, so in this video, we are going to do something like that. First, we will fetch the data from this Redis. Okay, if we found the same data from the Redis, we will respond that data to the user in like 10-20 milliseconds. Okay, but if we don't have that data, then we will go to our main database. Okay, then we will fetch that data and send response to the our client. And we will set the same data in our Redis cache. Okay, so that next time when user fetches the same data, he will get from Redis in like uh, minimal time. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, uh, so open your project file. Okay. Uh, whatever. Why are these guys opening automatically? Okay, so uh, file. In the last video, we have done our product controllers. Let me go to that, like cd desktop, cd desktop, cd to microservice. I'll bring it and then pull what we have inside this. Yeah, that's part services. Okay, so go to this and then install something called IO-Redis. Okay, so how to like install this, like go to your terminal and type pnpm install IO-Redis. Okay, oh, man, how much time it took? Pnpm install IO Redis. Okay, okay, so now this is installed, and then we have to get a database also. Okay, so in this video I have taken the neon database. Okay, how you can get your own neon database, like go to here, type neon tech, uh, just create a new project with some name like when inventor inventor the Karan, and then just create your database. Okay, then go here to connect your database. Copy the snippet. Okay, copy this link and paste it over here. Okay, paste this over here, and then well, now we have to migrate our schema to this database. Okay, so how to do that? To do this, you have to do like pnpm tlx prisma migrate that dash name in it. Okay, you can give any name, but I'm using like current YouTube. Current YouTube. Okay, so I think I'm done with this. Okay, this will take some time, but it will happen eventually. Okay, so now remove these files. Okay, and then okay, now we have to implement our Redis. Okay, first of all we have to make run our Redis database locally. Okay, so how to do this? So open a new terminal. Okay, and then if you don't have a Docker, please install it. Okay, so Docker run on detachment mode. What's the port mapping? The default port mapping for the Redis is 6379 6379 to 6379. What's the name? The name is Karan Redis. Karan Redis, and what's the image name? It is Redis. Okay. Docker. No, this is not running. Docker is. Uh, B1 is not running. I have to start this. Okay. Prisma is generated. Why my laptop is working so slow today? Hmm, Starting the Docker. Uh, you must have the Docker desktop. Okay. Start any server like check out. Let me install this. Pause this and then Docker ps Docker Docker run. Yeah. Okay, we have typed this thing over here. So Docker run on the attachment one. What's the port? It is this, and what's the name? It is current Redis, and what's the image name? It is Redis. Okay. So just do this. Okay. So now we have our Redis database running. So Docker ps. You can see this here. Okay. So container ID. Then come to your database, okay, and create an instance of your Redis import. How to do this? Import Redis from um, Redis, IO Redis, and then create an instance of your Redis. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, so const Redis equals to new Redis. So this thing will automatically connect to our Redis database. Okay, if you have the default port mapping. If you don't have the default port mapping, what you can do is this semicolon and then Redis and then this localhost 6379. If you have some different port, you can type here like 6378. I am using the 6379, so this is enough for me. Okay. So and then to like where we are using this, we are using for our get controllers. Okay. So, what is our task? Okay, so to get the this product ID, the same product ID from your Redis cache database. Okay, but if you don't have, then go to your Prisma database and then search there, and then like set that product ID in your Redis cache. Okay, so first of all, we have to find that product in our Redis. Okay, so cache product equals to wait Redis from dot slash database. Okay, then get get some key. This can be anything. I will tell you what this will be, but for now just type this. Okay, so product, and what I'm searching for this product ID. Product ID. If we have a cache product, what we want to do is like best.json um, send this cache product. Okay, and then return the user from here. Maybe we have to do this json.parse cache product. Okay, uh, but what if we don't have? We will search this in our main database and send that data to the user. Okay, but we will set this product ID which we don't have in our Redis cache database, which will set we will set this data in our Redis database, and then next time if the client searches for the same data, okay, we will send the cache product. Okay, so how to do this? You have to do like await redis dot set product product ID. Okay, so this is how I am setting this. Okay, this thing I'm setting this, and then I'm calling data by getting this thing. Okay, and what's the data goes inside this? It is the JSON dot stringify this existing product. Okay, so this existing product expires in this much of time. Maybe this is 5 hours or 5 minutes. I don't know. Okay, so I think this is enough for us. Okay. Uh, Let me type this some comments over here also. Uh, Getting the product from Redis. If we don't have the product in our Redis, then searching for it in the main database. Okay, and then when we found the product in our main database, we will gonna set or maybe save that product in our Redis. Okay, so I hope that was easy. Okay, and let me start the server and let's see if the things work out or not. Okay, so pnpm run dev. Okay, where is our postman? Ah, okay, remove this thing. Let me post some new products. Okay, so Kinder one. Okay, so the name for the product is like Kinder description and this price. Okay, where we are getting this from. Like we have made this controller in the last video. Okay, where we are getting the name, description, and the price from the body. Okay, and then creating new products in our database. Okay, so let me send this. This will take some time because we created a new database. Okay. Okay, so we have now created this product. Let me create one more product. Okay, so now we have two products. Let me search for one product. This one. Okay, type this over here. So first time it will take much time. Okay, the next time first time it will take time because it is not saved in our Redis database. Okay, but if we like search this database, then then after this it will like save that product cached in our Redis database. Okay, so let me search this. So it took almost 900 milliseconds, which was really bad. Okay, so it took 900 milliseconds, and the second time it took only 35 milliseconds. I don't know what is this. Yeah, we have like JSON.parse this thing. Okay, so JSON.parse. Mhm. Hmm. 75 milliseconds. It took only 17 milliseconds. Okay, so nice. Okay, so I hope you really like the video. Please subscribe if you like the video. In the next video, we will do like the inventory services and the Kafka. Okay, thank you.